Here you go. A nice rhythm we can play under me. That's what Belly has say. I will say the Jezebel them the under me. Hi. What's up, God? Oh, bro, God. Oh, God, bro, God. Oh, God, bro, God. Oh, God, bro, God. Oh, God, bro, God. It's the NEWZ BLEM. Well, 37 9, 37. Alright. Oh, it's a loud metal riffing, man. Last strong was Heroes Day weekend. I saw it, yeah, man. And we did do some little news. It was Bro God in our news now for Wolf Patrol. And them thing that they in our news again. I could just kill that set speed now. Oh God, Bro God, Dan Anderson poll. The Dan Anderson poll says that the people are going against Bro God. Yo, me have a voice note. Yo, me have a voice note for play now. Me have a random voice note to just come on my head. So play that. Play that there. Play that there. Me know where to go. Me know. Yeah, it's a man that talk about Bro God. This is a businessman.
Yeah, that's where you come from, you know.
Him now call him name.
Internal citizen in the next one country, you know, so you can dip it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, a boy, a prime minister boy, a pussy man, and a boy.
Wait. Nobody now know who. This is a prominent, I would say, a prominent businessman. This is a man who have a business, a restaurant, who have a, I would say, a thriving, he might know better than me. I would say a thriving restaurant. In my sense, I almost envy this man. The kind of business where him run is a kind of thing where me love did fear the world for a long time, years ago. It's a man where successful, it's a man who drive him nice vehicle in place. This is a man who I would look at and say, what a successful man. Here where him has say about the conditions where him under Bro God.
Yeah, you know, a boy, a prime minister boy, a pussy man, and a boy don't pay tax and don't pay nothing, brother. Just rob and rape the country and take the whole out of the pussy. You can't drive go nowhere and can't get a good little driver. They move off and get down the road and a blood clot.
Oh God, Bro God!
Tire bus.
Oh God, Bro God! You know how much people me here with that man? I just what they mean a taxi and the taxi man I say him done work and feel sweet. And the whole little money we stash up. He go crossroad, go drop off him baby mother at work. And coming back, boom! Like a gunshot. Tire bus up. A beer bus up tire, oh God, Bro God!
Bend up. You ever got a Spanish town and I tell you say bro, me take me gas tank bus. Drop in a patrol and me drop in a patrol, the fucking stone that they right on the edge. Think the whole life.
Oh bro, me for change that sign and say, oh God, Bro God no. Oh God, Bro God.
Yeah, man, you know for we, man.
Oh God, Bro God.
Myself, yeah. Man, I give a fuck when I say man do the thing, man, I don't care.
Alright. Yeah, you don't hear him. Come on, I call him man name a while ago, I rate him like that, you know. But we can't call him name because we don't really want to get him that tie-up. Oh God, Bro God. That a one man. It's a another man too, you know. I put in a man name, but there's another voice note from that man the way I have to play somewhere in at the end. Because that man they show me say they all Gen Z Jezebel, and from Gen Z it start. It have some nether Jezebel way up in my mother age group. In the way you call them baby boomers. You have some baby boomer Jezebel tush. We now going at that yet. With the palm Bro God. Dan Anderson poll. Dan Anderson our man we do polling. I will say poll what you mean. You poll vault and everything. We mean he call up people. He never call me yet, do you know? But he call up people and say, oh, the so and so by 25% and 30%. Holiness is leading by 19% and Mark Golden is behind by 35%. And then the one will put percent. That a percent man they will work with RGR Gleaner Communications Group for build a hype for them. Him say Bro God is now behind in the popularity polls. Meaning say people not like Bro God again. I say go when you get rich. And then you get rich. When you have work for money, people don't want to like you again. And so them things they go, every poor man want to reach that stage there. But when you reach a stage where people like you again, well, they call it when you have your dirty money. Yeah. People don't like bro God again. Me know Mama Veli don't like hear that. Because she love him. One day she want to left him. Because I call for her husband sick you know. Me don't want to go to Mama Veli business. But, oh God, bro God, man, the people them say I'm not going to run the place. That and this, and you have said that, say people them say it, you know. Me never hear you call me yet. Dan and this poll where I talk all kind every 2 months them have a new thing. I tell you say them do research and I never hear a call from the Dan and this now anybody with me know. Tell me say you know say Dan and this call me and ask me what go on with them. Nobody will ever hear it. So work out your thing Dan, but in the meantime, oh God bro God man. Alright. So with always a patrol. Royal Tanny Grill. We want going to we have to play that. We have to play that. Royal Tanny Grill, we have to play that. Oh God, bro God, I just say we're there in a segment I show. King of Jamaica TV, King of Jamaica Live. King Naya here is the King of Jamaica show. 10 to 11, we are countdown our time now. Me now look at you, me now want to look on the views. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Edward, it's Kamal here. I am asking you, please, sir, please to come and address what is going on in the hospitality industry. Right? We need better representative to the staff in the hotel industry. Too much ill treatment. Please, 2 day off. That need to come in. A system, 2 day off. And 8-hour shift. 40-hour work week. Too much overwork staff in the hotel industry. Please. If we don't overtime, no pay, them just treat me as them feel like. That's it. Thanks.
Oh God, bro God. Oh God, bro God. Well, you're not done yet. Oh God, bro God, man. Come on, bro God. That's not right. That's not nice. Oh God, bro God. Oh God.
Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the general manager at Royalton Negril Hotel has been suspended following a high-level meeting with the tourism minister and the hotel's administration earlier today.
The hotel staff's salaries have also been increased and the food situation in the canteen greatly improved.
Now, on Monday, disgruntled workers protested unfair wages and poor treatment, causing major disruptions at the hotel.
We have more details in this report.
There were happy faces in the canteen at Royalton Negril on Wednesday as workers sat and had their lunch in the presence of Tourism Minister Edmund Barton. For a proper meal at the canteen was one of the reasons the more than 200 workers.
Lunch with Bartlett, that's how them reward after them protest. Them are get some raise a pay. Thank God them are get lunch in the canteen now. Royalton Negril, that is one of the hotel and probably just an example for many others who are being mistreated workers. The guests them join the people in the protest. Jesus Christ, you can imagine compare vacation and pay big money and have gone from protest. Yeah, but I tell you God truth, that will be adventure. That sound like a vacation for me. But most people are not that them want. But Bartlett, bro God, oh God man. Oh God man, the workers them, oh God man. Hotel workers if you strike and guess if you join them. That not look good. Oh God, bro God. Oh God, when you match that with patrol, that just not look good. Old Shenyang and old bro God to you man. What else again that news? The Asians that were deported. Me know now get some news now. Me know especially some of my foreigner them and me now watch the views. Hey, there were people. No people who know me good know me. Say I was deported from America. Me I left there long time. Big up all my people in America. Me not too like live there. Me like America, but living at Jamaica my place. I was deported and me know enough other man were deported. From America, from England, from Canada, them places you get deported. You can imagine get deported from Jamaica. No, me a king of Jamaica, you know. Nobody don't love Jamaica more than me. And me I say, Jesus Christ. It's a low blow when you get deported from Jamaica. Big up Melania Lane, I know her from a different life. That liar girl we are run Freedom Imaginaries. Salute to your girl, we do the fight where I fight. with people right. Because the Asian them might laugh off of them say them a get dip. But them are people. People laugh off of me say me get dip from America. I just say them thing they go. But me can't get dip from Jamaica yeah, because one, Jamaica too local for me get dip from, and two, Jamaica my place. Figure here about Usher Asians and me dip on bro God. But oh God bro God man, give Asian them a chance. Oh God bro God man, give the Asian them a chance. My goodness. Oh God bro God, me could drink some water. Old changing and old bro God to man. Be a patrol him a this the work of them. Him a dip the Asian them. We again. Oh, me I left that one there for last. But in the meantime, Beenie and Bunty, well on me have it prepared.
Morning, Mr. Moses. How are you feeling this morning, sir?
Feeling very great this morning, sir.
And how to be feel awarded ODE by your country, sir?
Very great this morning, sir.
And who you have with you this morning, sir?
Well, I got my family, my wife, my daughter.
How are you feeling this morning, sir?
Awesome. Elated. Excited.
Boss right there, the boss, Beenie. Beenie and Bunty upon that thing there. From long time, a whole per year. But I want to ask to highlight some issues about that whole clip there. But Beenie, but first of all, Bunty. Awesome. Elated. You know what I'm yeah, big up Bossy Bunty, because look like you're the same guy, you never want to talk to the media more. Because you know I be a fuck cream chat. So you know me talk to the media. But, Beenie man, it was very interesting. I want to play it again. Beenie man, I make a highlight him that look like his daughter back him. See that I must see him up on the screen. Come in. So I look like his daughter, this a little girl here, so. Yeah? And it's a good daughter, this him a pine pan. It's a wife. And that's the thing how we did hear about engagement what day, you know. You remember Beenie and Crystal? Me don't want to divert the whole show, you know. Because when whole Shang Yang, who remember Crystal Tamlin, sir? Hey, me don't want to mix up, you know. But you notice Beenie man say wife a while ago, I don't know. Crystal. Who remember Crystal Tamlinson and Beenie man? Me don't remember because what a sweet girl. Eh? That the girl that look like a Shang Yang with all the falls in the way. That they are natural girl. Yep. Natural girl if you're a natural man like Beenie or King Naya. Well, kind of man there. So I remember her. And me barely remember the breakup the way it happened fast. Till Beenie have new wife. Play back again. We want to know what is the thing about with Beenie. Wait man, play this man, play this. Where you play?
Morning, Mr. Moses. How are you feeling this morning, sir?
Morning,
Mr. Moses. How are you feeling this morning, sir? Awarded ODE by your country, sir? Awarded ODE by your country, sir? And who you have with you this morning, sir?
Well, I got my family, my wife,
Wife, my daughter. I want to pick the Beenie man up. Yo, I want to pick the Beenie man up. Wait a Bunty, wait a man. I Beenie with a fire now. We are dealing with Beenie now. I want to pick the Beenie man up. The man say my wife, first of all, nah, I like the wife of one British girl or England girl. Sweet piece of girl, look nice, everything. Look like them have history. Come like him have beat me with her. Jesus, for a sick man. Who knows say Beenie man have sickle cell? Mama Belly has sickle too, you know. But Mama Belly not strong like Beenie. She not breed up. So I two pick the Mama Belly get. Beenie man have pick the. He must have pick the by now and still a pint out so little baby pick the. Whatever. What kind of strength in a film sickle cell blood. But salute Beenie man Bunty Killer for their national awards. They are awarded OD, officer class or some kind of class. I don't know because none of the two of them now in the class. But them get OD of officer class. There's another issue with that where the national awards people them a try figure out whether them for bring what them call the thing them want to bring a icon, national icon award and give it to Bob Marley and Louis Bennett. Come in to figure out about that. Me name figure out about it. Me name business. They who really business with them politics man and them shit where them are planning a try all the while. What? I go figure out some other things right now. So that are some of the news BLEM. Except for potholes. We've mentioned potholes, but we never mentioned them good. But potholes and female drivers. It bad now. We have another epidemic. Whole Shenyang. Because the Shenyang types, the Gen Z Jezebel, them, the whole of them are pretty work and I get pretty car. And none of them can drive. The whole of the Gen Z Jezebel, you can't imagine Shenyang what kind of car she can afford. She can afford any car which she can or any amount of driving lesson. But can she drive at the end of the day? None of them little girl that can drive. Big up all the driver them, me talk the female driver them, me know a few of them, you know. Me know a few of them, hopefully one or two of them are what them live at town. Most of what them are me know me cling up with, so. Oh no can drive. No, me not give them no. I only two my sis man in my head right now, I want to encourage. But my girl, rest one side I want to encourage. You see the rest of them, only can't drive, ladies. Majority of the women them will drive man road at Jamaica. The taxi man them done a frig up, the patrol them frig up. And then when you add, the woman them can't drive and yet them a use them cell phone. All of them a text while them a drive and a call while them a drive and all these things. Everything with them normally do. Facebook, Instagram, them a do that while them a drive. And them can't drive. Me no want know if we do it. Good, alright. So we lead in the female drivers, which supposed to segue into the real topic of the night again, which is Shenyang. Me have some voice note for play. I bet you will catch back the people in the live now. Because we have some voice note for play in regard to Shenyang. We have got USB drive, yeah man. Yeah, we have some voice note to play in regard to Shenyang, but before that, I'm going to get a little bit of rhythm. Yeah, alright. So, Chantel Hill Afonso is marketing manager of Sunshine Snacks. What Shenyang now? Chantel Hill Afonso is me see her picture. Me don't give her a Gen Z Jezebel because you can't reach them top position there as a 20-year-old. Unless he's a real good Jezebel. Because them cool man they were a cool man from Sunshine Snacks, you know. You hear them say about coolie and the liver. Me not going on that because Chantel Hill Afonso marketing manager with Sunshine Snacks are the girl who think connect up Shenyang with the Sunshine Snacks deal which she have. Sunshine Snacks everybody know, but it's based in Trinidad. Cheese balls and all these things, cheesy balls and these things is what Shenyang is promoting. And we don't think it right for Shenyang who do some slot tune and be the face of a kids brand. Sunshine Snacks are something marketed highly to children. And we are reining in the Jezebels who are bringing forth these children and marketing slutness and madness and rayness to them so that our society can be a better one. Hold that clip there, you know, we are saved that clip there so we're sure of what we are doing. You know. And not just build an eye-prone sense here, you know. Turn on the radio, make sure you give what you are saying. You know. And not just build an eye-prone sense here. I'm building a nation here. I would like people to know I'm going to lose me and fight life, but I'm nothing. I'm building a nation here by holding Shenyang by her hair and Jada Kingdom and another one name. Stark Ashley, only 3 we are called it have more today, you know. We are finding out. Worse than that! Not only say it have more. More are going to come. More of the Gen Z Jezebels are going to come. We have some more voice notes. We did play some voice notes last week. And we have just enough time to play the rest of them now. We have just enough time to play the rest of them now. And that's over there now. Oh, the church service with that woman there. I don't know this a Gen Z Jezebel. I don't know the Jezebel thing a go on. Hold on. It a one sitting here, so. We are sure no far this a sitting here come from. We are sure no far. We are sure no far. Yes? I put up this say them argue over money which she not put in her church. I put up this and say this a Shenyang when she put it back. This a Shenyang when she get old in her church. After Shenyang get old and the vagina can't fling around, and she this a church.
That's why I'm telling you what I don't care. I am not putting my money in. I know. I am not putting. Just That's all I know to chat people, that's why I'm not doing the money. I was gonna get 10,000 to this damn church. And I am not giving a dime.
Pastor Vex, I'm not getting 10,000 Vex.
You can't send me to hell.
Pastor Vex, go to hell. What's Pastor? I Pastor wrong enough. What's the Pastor now? Who do you know if you do? I viral out there. Alright, down on that facing, just push her. I Pastor wrong first.
Jesus Christ.
Somebody has a call now. We see Pastor joke on it. Shaggy, you push them all Shaggy. All Shaggy. All Shaggy, my call. All my boy, I could find hard. Ratty, all Shaggy. Lick the pastor with a mic. Don't play it no more. Now I share my tell you God truth. Me take long before I watch out them sitting there. Part of why I joke out them sitting there and people. I shame me. Me not gonna tell you no lie now. Part of it I shame. You think me shame it? It have another one. That is old Shenyang, not old Shenyang, you know. When Shenyang get old, and Shenyang mother, Shenyang grandmother, I too me no want these people parents. So when I say that, me no really mean Shenyang real mother. Because she probably a good person with grow a good daughter who slut around the place now and can send a good money come here. But all the Shenyang is that you have another woman we are that too. But hold on. We have the opinions of several of my compatriots. We did get some woman opinion last week. A be a woman did give them voice note in regard to holding Shenyang accountable. This week, a peer man mostly and mostly young men. Because my brethren, Gio. Gio is a producer, not just a brethren. Business partner, the man a producer for the music thing. Where I say, make we hear what Gio has said in regard to what Shenyang a do when she has said she want two man. Talk to me, Gio.
Shensia is a part of a different generation, bad man. Like she's a part of that generation where them basically them just run them run shit, like them live them life over them feel for live it that, and like the music what she make are basically fit them type of woman there, where just live by them own rule and them no business born a man, and them just do it exactly, live exactly how them feel for live and do exactly what them feel for do. So like, you know, me na interact with her, me don't know how them shit they say what she sing but not really affect me them way, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, alright, so that's a Gio, my boss producer Virgin Gio, yeah, that's his opinion on Shenyang thing. We want to get another one. We did play Jawalch last week, but so my temp me say play him again, you know. Because I want the people them really know what going on.
That's true, I say only for sensible things,
not
you know?
sensible, true.
You say that thing we say discuss pan sensia. I don't give sensia no hype, brother. Sensia them, for them thing me not depend, you know. Because the type of things them mash, them come from mash up Jamaica with our fuckery, you know. Because if you fuckery she a say, you know, be a sadism she a deal with, you know. And she want get fucking her body wall and she want corrupt the whole of Jamaica for go fear away. And she want hit and run, she want hit and run. I told that I have, you know, my children them can't listen to them girl music, you know. Now she said she there with two man and one bag of fuck. She sing about, brother. You know, see a blood clot germs that, brother.
Yeah, alright. So Jawal said that me have a bridge name Country Shane. Country Shane send one, you know. Young man, kinda youngish. Would say about this Shenyang age supposed to be in a 30 Country Shane.
This song there, Shane say one the devil Antichrist will come and land to mash up land, you know, planet Earth, you know, brother, with the relationship and the woman and the man then, you see it? Gen Z Jezebel, that, you know, just Google me, you know, Gen Z Jezebel, you see it? Brother.
Yeah, a Country Shane. It's play back, pull up him. Pull up a long time, pull him up.
This song there, Shane say one the devil Antichrist will come and land to mash up land, you know, planet Earth, you know, brother, with the relationship and the woman and the man then, you see it? Gen Z Jezebel, that, you know, just Google me, you know, Gen Z Jezebel, you see it?
The man said, Shensia come here to destroy the black family. You know, how me would have said. And I no joke. I'm not even mother joking I know. The Shensia types I make money. destroying our families. So no father no there. We don't never have no father all along. No father no fit dead. We know where father fear for Shensia boy there. Oh, we not see me no picture them when she have naked. Eh? Where father for whole pound pick there where breed and left that them on there. Me no business again, you know. Me no business again, me just attack, you know. The black family mash up long time and them mash it up worse. King Naya is here to save it. And we have to burn out some of them Jezebel girl in order to do so. You see the girl in my store though. Me don't know if some people are pre or go on. I play the story that made me a millionaire. Type in that in a YouTube, type that in Google, you know. King Naya, the story that made me a millionaire. Anyway you type that, the YouTube video will come up. Play that shit and ask me if that girl laying in that bumbuckler store there no problem. And ask me why me I do this. And who help them there about. And we are quell them. A country shame that a while ago, we have some more. We never want to get so fiery, you know. Oh, may I tell you now. So there's one female, right? To me, the most important voice note. And then I go in and I tune when I have a close out with where connect Kamala Harris with the old Shenyang story. There's one female in the mixer where I play. A young adult, this girl is 28. 18, 19 maybe. If she had 20, if she had 20, she old. Very young female who have the relationship thing on her head quite obviously. And to me, and a two I have to show you, I want me a part one here because I say Sheikah and Shengen part. Alright, so me a part two. So the two parts of this girl is a young female who to me make the most sense in what she has said and connect this. And to me we are going to follow it through with what a little girl here has said. Play it.
Good morning. Sorry for you to back to it, so I'm doing kind of busy. But I tell you, I'm true. I have no opinion fixed about that song because it lays up off of many things. Many things it lays up off of because man out there do the same thing too.
Alright, it's a point. I will pull up even though our voice note long and I two of them. But it's dating season options. Me and date two people at the same time, just with my options. That's the song when you say what song.
Good morning. Sorry for you to back to it, so I'm doing kind of busy. But I tell you, I'm true. I have no opinion fixed about that song because it lays up off of many things. Many things it lays up off of because man out there do the same thing too. I did two women at the same time and I play two women then. So she just play back the role and play two women at the same time. She kind of show them how it feels to see them two man, one man I play two women. So she play them back. So something a little bit like that and more to it because the honest truth and nothing that one but it is and most of that one, no.
She sound concerned. Well, and she have another part. Because her belly never full after she said that. More to it. Talk again, girl.
We should mostly try to do now. She try to be the one to play them instead of them play she. So she take up that role. She can do things after she own. She say she want independent woman now to depend on man and show them say them can have their love and respect and all of that fear and she not happy for them like when man them would have make you man fall in love with them and they not love them back in return. So mostly something like that.
Yeah. Me read her point, you know. You say a child shall lead the way. Yeah, because in my book that's a child in many sense, but that's a woman. She reached her age. But what she say is very poignant, if that is a word. Say the woman them a do back to the man them where the man them always did a do to woman. Yo, me can't really say nothing about that now. Me can't say that wrong, me can't say that now gonna work. That concept that not gonna match, that not gonna balance. But me can't tell a woman to do that because me don't know a woman's feelings.